So Barlows and Joblogic have been partners for many years now, and the important thing for me is that the people at Joblogic really understand the business which Barlows are trying to create, and will help us with our efficiencies to help us provide a sustainable solution for our clients. Joblogic has saved Barlows a considerable amount of time. Our process before was that engineers would used to travel to the office to collect paperwork, go and do the job and then come back with the paperwork. There would then be additional fuel costs, there would be downtime between invoicing and getting relevant reports and documents out. The implementation of Joblogic now means that the engineers don't have to come back to the office, thus meaning that fuel costs cut down, and also our efficiencies are there for our clients to see and to benefit with real-time invoicing, and also the decrease in the time that people are waiting for their reports and their invoices.
So the support at Joblogic is really good. Whenever we have any issues, they're quick to jump on it, whether it's through the help chat or through emails or ringing up our account manager. They're always on hand to help us out whenever we need it. We've heavily influenced Joblogic's roadmap because of the way we're set up, which is quite unique to every other business, because we've got so many different limited companies that they are their own standalone company, and we all have the same customers, so they've had to develop some bespoke software that sits on top of Joblogic to kind of factor in the way we work and the way we operate. The implementation and training of Joblogic was really smooth. Joblogic sent out their training team to actually come on site and do some in-house training for us, which was really beneficial because it gave us their expert way of doing it, so we were able to learn hands-on as opposed to just there's the software, go and learn. And they've also got online training, videos and handbooks and all the supports there that we need.
Joblogic has many useful tools. One of the most useful tools for myself using this and my team on the compliance side is using the SOR library. This is actually enabling us to send out information in a transparent format, reducing chase calls to discuss issues because of the transparency of the SORs and the costs associated with a particular task. Barlows has currently increased in size 50% over the last 5 years. This is mainly due to the technical processes we have, including Joblogic, which has enabled us to have the ability and the faith to move forward with opening 3 additional branches.